two people are better off than one, for they can help each other succeed. If one person falls, the other can reach out and help. But someone who falls alone is in real trouble. Likewise, two people lying close together can keep each other warm. But how can one be warm alone? A person standing alone can be attacked and defeated, but two can stand back to back and conquer.
God, that's great.
Isaac and Alexis have prayed, and they believe with all their hearts that this is the perfect will of God for them to be joined together. They have made their decision, so from now until the end of this age, I charge you to do everything in your power to see that this union remains solid, strong, happy, and prosperous. Isaac, you take Alexis as your wife, as your own flesh, to love her even as Christ loves the church, to protect her and care for her for the rest of your lives.
I do.
Alexis, do you take Isaac as your husband, submitting yourself to him as unto the Lord, showing reverence to him as the head of this union for the rest of your lives?
I do.
First, thank you all for coming on this very special day. I want to start off by reintroducing the two most important people here tonight. We know them, we love them. It's why we're all here. The bartenders. Yeah! Woo! Tip your bartenders, ladies and gentlemen.
When people ask me about Isaac, that don't know him, oh, you have a little brother? I said, man, I just get honored. I literally feel with joy to just tell people about him, about his journey, about what he's achieved, what he's accomplished, the goals he sets, he meets. I mean, seriously, we could all take a page out of Isaac's book.
And Alexis, no matter where this chapter takes you, always know that we will always be sisters. And I will show up on your doorstep unannounced. I don't care what state you're living in.
You're a legend in the making. You're a legend in the making. Way, way out here on the top. Coming up, just can't stop. Every step is groundbreaking. You're a legend in the making.
I'm so grateful and happy for Isaac as he embarks on this next season of his life. Isaac is a living testimony that waiting on God's will and timing will always serve us and those around us best.
This is a beautiful ceremony. And like sometimes gold can be exchanged for fine pearls. That's what happened today.
There was a time where I was going through a really, really hard time in my life, and Alexis came over to the house to see if I was okay at 11 o'clock at night. The thing is, she had to be up super early the next day to take the biggest test that a nurse must take, which is the test to become a nurse in the first place. Whoa, why am I getting emotional? Okay.